Welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to change refresh rate on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar, then type settings. As you can see here, settings option, click on it. Now go to system. Now go to display. As you can see on the top here, go to display. Now scroll down, and in the related setting you will see advanced display option. As you can see here, click on it. Now you have to change your refresh rate. You can change to lower or as well as to higher. Higher is 60 hertz and lower is 40 hertz. As you can see here, higher rate gives smoother motion but also uses more power, and I will choose the higher option. It will give a smoother motion. If you are having a low end PC, set your option to 48 hertz. It will give you a low end, but it will give you more battery backup. So guys, this was a tutorial to how to change refresh rate on Windows 11. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.